and welcome to my channel. I am Paulimi Ghosh and today's recipe is Shahi Chicken Korma. For Shahi Chicken Korma, the ingredients needed are yogurt 250 grams, ghee 4 tablespoons, dry fruits as per your choice, sugar 2 tablespoons, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, coconut powder 1 tablespoon, ginger and garlic paste 2 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, onion 3 medium sized onion chopped, garam masala, 1 kg chicken. Take the chicken in a bowl and add ginger garlic paste to it. Now add the red chili powder. After that, add salt as per your taste. Now add the sugar to the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now mix it well. After the mixing is done properly, we have to keep the chicken aside for almost 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Now take the chopped onion, put the ghee in a kadhai and put the chopped onion to it. Now fry it till it is light brown in color. As we can see, the onion has started changing its color. We will fry it more. As we can see, light brown color is coming. After that, we will take out all the onions from the kadhai and put it in a plate. Make sure the plate is covered with tissue paper so that the extra oil can be absorbed there. After the onion is done, now we will take the yogurt in a bowl and whisk it well. After that, we will take the kadhai and put some mustard oil to it and add garam masala to the oil. After that, we will add the chicken slowly to the kadhai. Now we will give the coriander powder. After mixing the coriander powder, we will give the coconut powder and mix it again. After that, we will add the yogurt. And again mix it well. After the mixing is done, we will be keeping the chicken for 5 to 10 minutes and close it with the lid. Now we will take the onion which is fried and grind it. After the grinding is done, we will be adding the mixture to the chicken. We will mix the chicken again. After the mixing is done properly, we will put the raisins to the mixture. And now we will be closing the chicken for another 10 minutes. After that, we will be taking the cashew and almonds and grind it and make a paste out of it. Now add some saffron to the paste. Now we will be adding that paste to the chicken. Now we will be adding the garam masala powder. After mixing it well, we will be covering it with a lid. Our chicken is ready. Now we will be serving it with basonti pulao. For making basonti pulao or yellow pulao, the link is given in the description below. You can also serve the chicken with plain rice or roti. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and do comment me and tell me about your opinion and suggestions. Thank you. Hopefully you're liking my videos, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon for further notifications.